Let's get it out there and see what happens.
Looks good, doesn't it?
It's fun. Let me try one over here.
Instead of popping right away, just let it give it a little V.
Okay.
Oh, just a little pop. Yeah.
Oh! That's cool.
See how that works?
Yeah.
So I usually like to see a little V and pop.
Okay.
That's
Well,
it.
learning more about poppers. I don't fish that much.
They're fun. I use a gurgler too.
Little guy. Hey, my first one on a popper.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Fun one. It's fun when they.
Yeah.
A little more challenging too.
Yeah. This one's not running too much. The little guy. All right, second one on the popper.
Another one. And you see, like it just started to V when he took.
Yeah, yeah.
The water just started like that.
Yeah.
Pulled at the same time. That's when he
Grabbed it, huh?
It's all timing with the popper.
Yeah.
Because they want to see that V for some reason, and then as soon as you go to pop, that's when they
Grab it. Because
think it's getting away.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa! Oh, came off.
You lose a lot.
Yeah. That was fun. Yep. So cool.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
Sometimes I've been out here and catching small fish and put one of them on, boom.
Big ones, huh?
You just don't know, like they just go after it.
There we are.
A bigger fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Thick one.
The thing about it, it's easy on the flies.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. Nice.
nice one.
Thanks. Oh, it missed it. Oh, it went for it twice. I missed it. Oh, wow. That was a big take. Yep. Is it? Don't think so. It's about the same. A little better. There we go.
This one.
That's a better one. Nice. Thanks.
Nice take.
Yeah. On a popper. That one.
Missed him. You hit big one. Look at that. There you go.
Oh, that was a good one.
See his fins come right out of the
He
water
just
for it?
jumped out for it. That was exciting.
It was a nice hit.
Woohoo! That was cool.
That was a nice hit. That one.
Yeah, it was. It jumped out.
Like see it come right out of the water.
Yep, yep. Oh! Oh! Got him on the second time.
Oh, I've never seen him. Never chased it like he just went up and took it. Like I never seen him chasing it. He just go right at it.
Was that a different fish? That second?
No, I think the same thing. He knew he missed it the first time.
Yeah.
That's what makes it so much fun. Catch these guys.
Well, with the spey rod, you can really horse these little guys around.
And I think the secret too for you is when you get the distance,
Yeah,
you seem to get a better hook.
yeah, yeah. Thanks. Oh, that was a big boy.
Got him?
I think so. Not a huge one, but
Probably the biggest one you got on the popper so far.
yeah,
Nice fish.
it's really thick.
Very heavy, yeah.
Nice. Oh!
Nice one.
Yeah. Whoa! It's on the reel.
That's a bigger fish.
Yeah. There we go.
That's the nicest one yet on the popper.
Woo!
Keeper size.
Yeah. Fat.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Pretty.
It'll start getting bigger the more you fish something.
Bye-bye. Yep, there he is. Not that big. Well, at least I don't think it's that big. Oh. Fun, fun, fun. Nice. Whoa! That was a big fish. Oh, man. Whoa, look at that boil.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of fish just come up. They're still coming.
Yeah. I won that big boy that jumped earlier.
That was a nice tag. That was a nice tag.
Yeah. There. Woohoo!
He hit some nice.
Yeah.
He wanted it.
Yeah, he just took it. No more messing around, just grab it, huh?
Nope.
Nice, thanks. Whoa, I'm in the middle of a boil there.
I think you moved the line.
Oh, got it. Looks like a better fish. Right. Yes! Ooh, thick one.
That's the biggest one you got in the bopper so far. I think.
Yeah, nice. Fatty.
Measure and see. 23. Not that big, but still.
He's fat.
Nice fish on the bottom.
Yeah, thanks.